everybody, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. Do we pronounce it Krakow or Krakow?
Krakow.
We're going with Krakow apparently. And welcome to Krakow vlog 1. So if you're new here, welcome. My name is Shannon and I'm cabin crew. However, today I'm actually on my own hollybobs without being crew. Me and my best friend Faith are actually in Krakow for 4 days. We're staying for 3 nights. We travelled by plane this morning with Ryanair, which was a nice and easy process from Stansted all the way to Krakow. And we've just checked in at the Xerion Hotel. It's spelled Xerion, I think. Yeah, so I don't know if that's Xerion or Xerion. It's that hotel either way, and it's really nice in here. We've got lots of plans whilst we're here. We're doing Auschwitz tomorrow, we're doing salt mines, we're going to do a little bit of everything, and we are going to head out into Old Town later, get some food, go and see the Jewish quarter and all things like that. But first I'm going to do a little room tour because I can't usually do these when I do my cabin crew trips, but I can on this occasion. So let's give you a little room tour. Let the room tour commence. We're in 107, which is on the first floor. We've got this long hallway as we come in, and then literally the first room on the left is the bathroom. So we'll go in here first to show you. Oh, here we are. It's nice and modern, to be fair. It's actually really nice. Got a sink here. Oh, don't put anything in the middle. Oh, you got a hairdryer in here as well. Stunning. Got some hand soap, a nice mirror. Hi. What do these lights do? Oh, hiya. Then we've got a little towel rack here. Towels to go on the towel rack. Toilet, very simple. And then this is our tiny little walk-in shower. It's quite nice actually. Very simple and modern. So I would like it. Nothing too fancy. And then this is the main room. We've got a twin room. Hi Faith. We've got some storage here. We're going to hang our stuff up and 2 little drawers down the bottom. And then we've got adapter plugs down there.
Yeah, but mine don't fit.
Does it not actually work?
No, because it's too big.
Oh, it's a you problem, not actually a...
No, but the bed don't move.
Oh. Well, have fun with that. We've got a nice big mirror here. Some pretty pictures on the wall. TV. Don't know if it's a smart TV, I doubt it. This, by the way, they changed from a double into a single, so into 2 singles, should I say. So that's why you've got little prints in the floor, because they did it for us last minute, but that's okay. They are very singles though, aren't they? Like, they're really slim. We have actually got that adapter plugs right by the bed, which is good if Faith can get them to actually work, but at least they're conveniently placed. And then we've just got like a little desk over here and table and chair. And then yeah, we just got some water, tea and coffee station, telephone. What's this down here? Is that a fridge? Yeah, we've got a fridge as well. Nice. Just worked out, by the way, that this actually is a smart TV, which is great. We've had a little freshen up and we're out and about now. We are walking towards the Old Town, I believe. We're going to try and aim to go past, what's it called? Oh, the Jewish Ghetto Memorial, yeah. I feel like I need to pronounce my T's when I say that word because I sound like so Essex. Ghetto Memorial. It's literally like 2:30, I think. So we've got a little fair bit of the day. We do have to be up early tomorrow, but we've got a fair bit of the day to go and explore. Okay, so this is the Jewish Ghetto Memorial coming up on our right. It's all these little chairs that you can see. We're going to try and get a little bit closer. I think there's a little tour going on here, so you can obviously take a little walk-in tour, but we are just going by ourselves. And each of these chairs has something different on. There's either like a picture, one's got a scarf, there's a few rocks on some. Like, can you see this one's got like a really big rock on there and a smaller one, so I don't know, they're all different. It's just become a site of humiliation apparently, but the reason for the chairs is because it's where they used to pile up the furniture, so we just had a bit of a Google to make sense of it all. It's a memorial for the resistance, basically. So I think the main reason for this memorial is basically to show that they did fight back. But it is very eerie here. So we've just come up to Judah's food market. There's lots of options. We might just grab ourselves a snack, see what there is in here. So we're getting a savoury from here. We've opted just for a large fries because we don't want to fill ourselves up too much for dinner. And that is from this place that I'm not even going to try and pronounce. They've also got this place for savoury, which looks really, really good on the pictures. You can see it over there. I really want to try this at some point. They look unreal. And they've got coffee, they've got pierogi that I want to try at some point. They've got, I don't know what that is, but somebody recommended that, it was really good. And then they've got baked potato. And then they've got the chimney cake bakery over here, which I really want to try at some point on this trip. Our fries are here. I didn't realise they were going to put the mayo like directly in the cone. Oh, these are filling a hole, these are so good. We've just come across this. I think, what did I say it was called? Corpus?
Something. It's a Catholic
It's, yeah, it's a 15th century Catholic church, but it looks...
It's huge.
Yeah, I know. It is really big. Should we walk around it to the other side? Faith has just been saying that it looks like we've been stuck in time a little bit. Like things haven't changed since like World War II almost. Like some of the buildings still look like they've been here the whole time, don't they?
Yeah.
And it does feel like really eerie when you walk around. It does feel like you're stuck in time a little bit. I know Faith's short, but this building actually is huge, by the way. Like, look. using you as an example is not great because everything's tall against you, to be honest. She's Diddy. That is actually Faith down there. I don't know if you could see her. She did just look like one of the pebbles on the ground, but this is the whole height of the church, and this is Diddy Little Faith. When I come up here, I actually couldn't see you. It took me a minute. And we've made it to the Jewish quarter. We've got some restaurants and things over that side, some other restaurants and shops, and we're just going to take a wander. I think I might have just missed it, but the bell tower was just going off. I quickly got my camera out and it stopped. That's just my luck, isn't it? There's a statue, or I don't think it is a fountain. There's no water, but maybe there is sometimes. But it looks like they've got instruments. Oh my god, that's so cool actually. Let's get a closer look. That looks really cool. Yeah, that's so cool. I really like that. Oh, take a seat, love. You can see that church just behind us. Oh, there it is. He's here. It's actually huge. It is huge, but then you've got these different coloured buildings like behind me, which are really pretty. It's like parts of the city are really pretty and you've got all these different coloured buildings, and then parts look like the building's literally been there for yonks, but it gives a lot of character to this place, doesn't it? Like we're just really enjoying wandering around. Okay, there's this place called Schindler's List Passage, so we're going to get lost in here a little bit. Oh my god, that's so cute. It's what?
The history of the ghetto.
Oh wow. That was actually so interesting. We've literally just stood for like nearly half an hour and just read all of these. And it just tells you all of the history, doesn't it?
Yeah,
Of it.
Schindler's List passage.
Yeah. Yeah, this is Schindler's List Passage. It tells you the whole history of the ghetto. That was well worth finding. I'm glad we found that. There's like some little shops and things down this end. That's Wall Castle over there. I don't know what that is though. There's another building over there that looks pretty impressive. But that is Wall Castle. It's getting a little bit later now, but we're trying to get ourselves into Old Town to get something to eat. Aww. We're literally right underneath Wobble Castle now. And look at this! Oh, some cart going past, that's so cute. That is gorgeous, isn't it? What a view. Right, so we've decided we're going to keep walking in this direction. And there is a Pizzatopia up here. And we're going to grab that for dinner. And then on the way back, we're going to stop by and get a Polish donut to take home for dessert as well. So pretty. It is a really nice vibe down here. Pizzatopia is just up here on the right.
Yeah, oh.
Do you reckon you can eat in, or do you reckon it's a takeaway jobby? Either way, I'm craving pizza.
Social.
Okay, that's giving both, so that's not helpful. Let's see, let's find out.
Can I have mozzarella on the white side, please? Yeah, we're sharing.
That's That's our pizza being made.
So that's fine.
Okay, no problem.
Lovely.
Thank you.
Thank you. We have our pizza. This looks so good. How much did this cost us with the 2 drinks?
It was like 62 zloty.
Zloty, I think it is. 62, okay.
But I'll see what that is in English.
Yeah, it looks so good. On my side, I went for tomato base and I got chicken, chorizo, mozzarella, red onion and sweet corn with barbecue sauce on top. And then Faith's side, she's gone for you went for white garlic for your base, didn't you?
Yeah.
White garlic. She's got chicken, she's got pineapple, she's got black olives, and then barbecue sauce on top. But it looks so good. I can't wait to try this. This place was recommended to us like so many times, so we've come to test it for ourselves. That's so good. I know.
There's going to be no ladylike way of eating it.
There isn't. You're just gonna have to go ham. There's no other way of doing pizza. It's so nice. That's a strong like 9 out of 10. That bread, like the actual dough, it's so good. We have well and truly been defeated. We've well and truly made a mess as well, but we have truly been defeated. But we don't ever skip dessert, so it's time to find a Polish donut. Time for some Polish donuts. They've got loads of different flavours. I think I'm going to get a Kinder Bueno one. They look the best. Right, we're back in the hotel room, but I just wanted to do a taste test. So we popped to this place. I'm not even going to try and pronounce it. But this is the donut that I got. Look at the size of that. I got the Kinder Bueno one. I believe it's filled with Kinder Bueno, so I hope it's not too sickly. Apparently, it was $9.50 in zloty. I think that's the currency. I just looked on my own account and it's £1.90, which is what it's equivalent to. So £1.90 for this thing bigger than my bloody head. Ready? Taste test. The outside is really good. It's definitely filled with it, but I haven't got to that yet. My mouth was not big enough to get through that.
No. Really?
I know, shocking. Shocking. Faith can't believe it. Oh, what the hell? Look at that.
What is it?
Don't know, it looks like a burger.
Maybe it's an actual chocolate bar inside.
Come and tell me that looks like a chocolate bar. Can you see that? It looks like sausage. Or like burger. Can you see? The camera's being weird. Can you see it? Like what? What is that?
Try it.
I'm nervous now. Why does it look like burger? Come and look at that. Why does it look like that?
Just try it. It's actually a cow. What is it?
I have no idea.
Is it nice?
I have no idea. I don't understand. I don't know how to describe that.
Try it again. The whole thing will be gone in a minute.
Try again. I can't say if it was good or not. Gone.
I need another one.
Yeah. It's obviously chocolate. It's ice cold in the middle, so like I thought if they were gonna have a donut filling, it would be like melted.
It would be like Nutella stuff.
Yeah.
inside it.
That is not what I expected at all. It's nice, don't get me wrong, but it's almost like
Chocolate bar shoved in a donut.
with like it's like cold, like ice cold, almost like ice
Maybe you're
lolly
supposed to heat
kind
it
of.
up.
Oh, don't tell me that. That is so strange. It literally looks like burger.
She says that she's eating it.
Do you think I just got a dodgy one? Or are they supposed to be like that?
Knowing you, yeah, you probably did.
It's good, but that is not what I expected at all. That's so random. I'm going to leave that for now. We are now just going to get ourselves into bed, to be honest. It is like 6:30 in the evening. We are going to have showers. We're going to put Netflix on and get ready for our day tomorrow because we're up nice and early. How's your first day been
Yeah.
in Krakow?
Ow, I've really enjoyed it.
I've really enjoyed it as well. I feel like we've just got lost and just wandered and it's been really nice.
I think
Like,
that's the best thing to do.
yeah, I enjoyed
I definitely...
Old Town when we got to Old Town, like the vibe up
I
there.
feel like we should stay there a bit more.
Yeah, the food we've tried has been really good. I really want to try some more Polish food, but I feel like as an introduction to Krakow,
great start.
I feel like we've had a great start. And then tomorrow we've got a really, really busy day. We are doing a full tour with Get Your Guide, starting off in Auschwitz and is it Birkenau? Is that how you say it?
Yeah,
Birkenau?
Auschwitz,
Birkenau, and then we're going on to the salt mines. Yeah, which we don't really know much about, to be honest. We've just been told they're really good and we should go. So that's what we're doing tomorrow. And we've got to be up really, really early for our pickup to go on the tour. So we're going to get an early night tonight. But it's been really good.
Someone messed up on the booking.
Because someone messed up on the booking. If we were getting picked up from the hotel, then we wouldn't have to wake up as early. However, we've got to walk 20 minutes. God forbid. Not like we've already walked how long today.
We're going to be walking loads anyway, so...
I know, I'm just being lazy. I'm being lazy. Ignore me. Anyway, I'm going to go and enjoy my Polish donut and get ready for our day tomorrow. So we will see you in vlog 2, I guess. Thank you very much for watching this vlog. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!